official call by the Secretariat of the Philippine Dragon Boat Federation.
Okay. So what's up sa inyo mga ka-beautiful brother, mga ka-vloggers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa White Beach ngayon, Station 1. May Elizalde. Right now, maglalakad tayo. And napaka-low tide. Today is April 27, 2024. And actually kanina, nag-upload ako ng video. Actually, continue pa rin ngayon yung racing ng Dragon Boat. Magpapaano na. Alas 6 na. At ang good news is low. Napaka-low tide niya yung hapon. With that. Now. I think scenery over back. Better go to the Dragon Boat. tayo. Parang nag-atetihan na naman.
So apparently race number 68 will be our final last race of the day. So this is mixed CS Smorgasbord final. Be at the loading area.
And continue pa rin.
Yes, race number 68 will be our last race of the day.
Yung last race na. Kanina pa ito, isa na alas 8 eh.
Three is catching up as well as lane number 2. They are now entering the 50 meters marker. Right, and amazingly, lane 2 is catching up. Now on the last 25 meters mark, it is lane number 2, which is Paris A. There you go. And
Bilis.
let's wait for the final official results.
Thank you so much, Jan. So we are down to our last race today. That is race number 68. It's going to be continued tomorrow. Races 69 to 74. But before we say goodbye and we have our last race for the day, we'd like to thank, of course, everybody who joined us here in Love Boracay 2024 International Dragon Boat Festival, brought to you by the municipality of Malaya Clan, also Boracay Dragon Boat Association, the Philippine Dragon Boat Federation. Sponsors, we'd like to thank DNJ Sport, Hong Kong Trade Office, Shangri-La Boracay.
Okay. Let's continue vlogging. Just a quick update na naman po tayo. take a walk. We erase. Gusto yung sunset.
Parang ganina pa na.
Hindi nang mapuraman.
Yung isa, hawakan natin.
And then number 2, Yoyong.
Okay, yan po ang mga update yung dito sa Boracay Island, Philippines. White Beach Station 1 to 2. And dahil na sa Dragon Boat Racing. Kaya para sa akin, the best pa rin ang island nito, ang Boracay. Okay, dito muna tayo sa may Mandarin Bay. Or we can see dito lang. Okay, hanggang dito lang muna po tayo. Okay, papunta na yung Station 3. Dito muna mga ka-beautiful Boracay, mga ka-vloggers. Thank you for watching. See you later mga ka-beautiful Boracay. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para manatili ka updated dito sa ating channel about Boracay, White Beach, mga water activities. I have a little bit of hotel showrooms and other related contents about the tourism island of Boracay, the tourist attractions here. So, dito muna po tayo mga ka-vloggers. See you in the next vlog. See you.
Hold on, is it? Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, look, lane number 3 is leading. That's Mama Pilipinas right there. But no, wait. Lane number 2, Roll Pilipinas. And then they're trying to paddle towards the finish line. Are they going to have this in? Is that lane 2? And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like lane number 2. That is Roll Pilipinas for the next senior small boat final. But once again, wait for the official results, which might be posted tomorrow. I'm not so sure. All you have to do is ask the secretariat. Congratulations to all the teams. And ladies and gentlemen, it's been a crazy full day of racing right here in Love Boracay Dragon Boat International Festival 2024. So hopefully you guys had fun. There's going to be many more races tomorrow. So today we had about 74 races. Tomorrow we're going to be having like about 50 plus races, including the races